Hey guys, this is Jack here at QuickGrow, and today we're going to be talking about lead generation on LinkedIn for mortgage brokers and estate agents. Let's get into it. So for those who aren't using it already, LinkedIn is a gold mine of a social media platform. Obviously, a lot of people don't leverage it, seeing it as quite professional at times, but if you haven't already broken into this space, it is a huge opportunity. So much business-to-business content and also reaching out to those potential prospects. I suppose if you have a system that already works, maybe you're already using Facebook ads, YouTube, Google, SEO, I don't know, but be open to this, be open to change. Our company, we've had to pivot, we've had to change, we've had to adapt our strategy on dependent how the market is moving. LinkedIn is currently a clear winner in this sense and is throwing out incredible lead after incredible lead. Okay, so once you've diversified the stream of incoming leads, we're going to look at LinkedIn specifically. Most people don't know that you can actually run ads on LinkedIn, and not enough people are taking advantage of this. The reasons why? Because LinkedIn will scrape all of the customer's information for you. That's their name, that's their phone number, email address, anything you could possibly want on the profile of your customer. All you need to do is tell them exactly who you want. And this is the beautiful thing about it. When you bring these ads on, you can tailor them specifically to who you're hoping to bring in and who you're hoping to generate more leads for. Again, like in previous videos when I've spoken about Facebook, LinkedIn has a feature of retargeting. So once you know someone is interested, they will do all the hard work for you, put yourself in front of that client again and again and again until they really need your product and will eventually become your client. Depending on the campaign you want to run and depending on what you hope to achieve in LinkedIn, this is where it gets even better. Obviously, we can do a brand awareness campaign, and that'd be something that I'd highly recommend. Directing traffic straight to your website. This helps build up your reputation within an industry and also really gets your name out there so that you are the go-to name. Obviously, this works in SEO land as well, but if we're talking specifically in LinkedIn, it's a great and much cheaper method of creating fantastic brand awareness. Obviously, making this more specific, it clearly works well, and it works well for our clients currently in the real estate and the mortgage brokerage game. That's UK and US. So simple. I suppose something that we need to add on again, guys, as I say in every single video, is consistency. Consistency is key. If you want LinkedIn to favor your ad campaigns, be consistent with the content that you're putting out there. These algorithms that everyone keeps talking about aren't bullshit. They need to know exactly how committed you are to these platforms so that you're going to be bringing in more business for them, which in turn they will reward by bringing in more business for you. And then, I know I mentioned it already, but once we gather all this data, we have those incredible lists, we have the ideal clients, we know exactly who they are. What we're going to do, we're going to launch another campaign specifically with the data that we've captured and retarget them again and again. But also LinkedIn can learn from this to say, I know who your ideal customer is now, we'll put you in front of those specific people. This is the power of LinkedIn. So up your LinkedIn game, ladies and gentlemen. So quickly to sum up around LinkedIn, we need to be connecting with more people. We need to be more active on the platform itself, commenting, liking, sharing posts, posting content ourselves. We need to start running some seriously good ads, and then we will be converting way more clients up in that revenue. Okay, thanks again, guys, and we'll be back with a video soon. If you like that video, let me know in the comments below, hit the like. If you have anything that you want to understand further, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll do my best and we might even make a video about it. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye.